welcome back to my channel. Thought today I would do a review on some earbuds that can connect to the Nokta Makro, the Legend. They are called TOZO. They're a gaming earbud, quite cheap. And so what I'll do is I'll go through the settings, the connecting, and how good they are in terms of how quickly they respond to the detector. Okay, so here they are. I will start with an unboxing. So they are the TOZO G1 wireless gaming earbuds, which come in a charging case and in this nice little neat box. As you can see, they're these ones are black in colour. I think you can choose from 3: black, blue or grey, whatever you prefer. Okay, so as we take the box apart, we've got the instructions. And inside the box, I've opened these. We've got the case, pretty similar to most earbud cases now. A charging case, comes with a USB-C adapter on the back for charging. And when opening them, you're met with a lot of green flashing lights. Green meaning that I've actually already charged it. What else do you get? Well, you get a cable, so that's just a USB-C cable with a normal USB adapter on it to charge them, and you get this, which is a rather large set of earbud fixings to make sure you've got the right size to your ear. And I think they go extra small, small, medium, large, extra large and extra, extra large. So that's all included in the box. So quickly through the instructions and the quick guide, as you would expect. It's fairly straightforward. They pair coming straight out of the case. You can pair them to your smartphone or actually computer console, because they are particularly designed for computer consoles. And if it's on your phone, you've got the normal standard features, but that's not what I'm going to really talk about today. I'm just going to talk about how well they work with the Legend. Okay. And other than that, I think we'll leave that, put that back in the box. Okay, so let's get down to business. Okay, so we've got the Legend switched on. I am indoors today, so it is going to be a little bit chattery, so I've turned everything virtually off. Right then, so what we'll do, we'll get into the menu, we'll go across to Bluetooth. Okay, make sure the Bluetooth is switched on, which it is, and it's flashing. So I will now open the box, take one of these out and see if they connect. Okay, and by the time I got it to my ear, it's connected to the Legend already, and it's talking to me saying your headset is connected. So pretty fast in connecting, which is good. That's what we need. Okay, so now really we're down to the most important bit, the test. Okay, so for ease, I've just turned the detector around. I'm using a 50 cents piece because I'm in Europe right now, and let's just give it a test. With the latest update of 1.09, which this Legend is on, I've now set it to headphone and loudspeaker tones, and I can be able to try and see if there's a gap. Now these are advertised at around 45 milliseconds, so they should be fairly quick, but I suppose the big question is how quick. Okay, here we go. Okay, so listening to both the headset and to the speaker, I've got to report that there is a gap. It is not instantaneous like the Nokta Makro headset is that comes with the Legend. It almost feels like a bit of an echo, so that 45 milliseconds is pretty much a little bit of an echo. It's not as close as I thought it would be. Having said that, the headphones are quite comfortable to wear. I've still got them in, and they're not annoying me or anything. They fit well. I've chosen the the right size buds to make that happen. So what do we think? So this is an honest review. I bought these myself and they are okay. Let's just give it that. They're okay. If you don't want to wear heavy headphones, especially in summer, then these are a very cheap alternative. Bearing in mind these cost around £25, somewhere in the region of $30, compared to the Nokta Makro headphones that come with the Legend, which are around £120 or what, $140 to buy. There's a significant price difference, so therefore I think that's what you're paying for. Having said that, you know, they work, they're wireless, they connect quickly, you've got an alternative if you need one. They're very small, compact, come with their own charger within the box, so you could even just have them tucked away in your bag in case your headphones run out of juice, and then you can pop these in. As for identifying targets, I would suggest that you use the detector's pinpointer or flick it on to the Bluetooth mode number 2, so you can also hear what's going on through the speaker at the same time as the headphones, just so you get on that target. I'm suspecting you're going to be you know, about 3 or 4, maybe 5 centimeters difference by the time you've moved the coil from what the detector was detecting to the sound reaching these. So alternative, dig big holes, but no one really likes to do that. Anyway, that's a pretty honest review of these. They work, they're cheap, they're available, but they are not as instantaneous as the headphones, which you'd expect, but a good alternative, cheap alternative if you just want to have them in your backpack or bag, and especially in the summer if you don't want to wear big headphones. Okay, well, I hope you found that useful. If you've got any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, take care. Bye bye.